2018 Tesla Model 3 long range with 59,000 miles. Hi, my name is Carter, and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. This is a one owner from Dickinson here. An acquaintance of mine bought it brand new. She needed a 3-row vehicle, so she sold me this and went and bought a brand new 3-row. It's been independently inspected. That came back with flying colors. We didn't change oil because, well, there's no oil to change. Well, there is technically. That's a long story. But yeah, this is the long range for 2018. So it's the longest ones of them. It has the 19-inch wheels. It has the white leather. That's hard to find. Full glass roof. There's really not a lot of options on Teslas. You buy a brand new one, and what's ever available at that time is what you get. You can choose your wheels, and you can choose your colors inside and out, and that's about it. There is some upgrades that come via software. This car has the Summon, the FSD. That's the full self-drive. They're always tweaking that. Again, it is the all-wheel drive. It comes with the balance of factory warranty. That's 10 years or 100,000 miles from new on the powertrain. So there's quite a bit, and that includes the battery. Tinted windows. You know, I think you could upgrade that warranty. Cover the incidental stuff. Pretty sure we have a product. You'd have to talk to our finance guy about that. Speaking of financing, get pre-approved at the website, theautoramauto.com. We can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. Seriously, we don't even have a coffee pot here. Why? Because we're not going to keep you long enough to have you drink a cup of coffee. I don't know why the other wait a second. Yeah, I know why the other dealers do that. The big box stores keep you all day. There's a reason. They want to break you down. They want to sell you all the garbage. The other thing that we don't do like the big box stores is we have real prices. You might find a car advertised for less, but they have so many hidden fees. They don't tell you about the fees till you get there. Honestly, price you see with us is the price you pay. You can drive it away. We do have a $145 dock fee, but being as you're watching this, you're learning all the info, we're going to give you a video coupon. That's right. You show this video to our finance guy. He's going to give you the free dock fee. That's right. $145 dock fee is free if you show him the video. So the price you see is the price you pay. You can drive it away. Of course, there's state fees. That varies from state to state. That doesn't go to us. So let's recap. 2018 Tesla 3 long range all-wheel drive, black with the white leather, FSD, Summon, 59,000 miles, independently inspected, comes with factory warranty. We got very fast financing. We're not going to keep you all day. We have real prices, so the price you see is the price you pay. Drive it away. Come and experience the Autorama Advantage, folks. Oh, and it also has a mobile charger with it.